Voice memos are crucial for meetings, lectures, and personal notes. Transferring them to your PC helps manage storage, especially for long recordings. In this video, we'll explore 5 methods to copy iPhone voice memos to your PC, plus answer common questions to make the process easier. Part 1. How to copy iPhone voice memos to PC professionally. How to guide. First, download, install, and launch Mobikin Assistant for iOS on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the PC using a USB cable and wait until the program detects the device successfully. Then go to Music Voice Memos in the left panel, where the software will scan and display all voice recordings on your iPhone. You can preview the files, select the ones you need, and click the Export button to transfer and save them to your computer in bulk. Part 2. How can I transfer voice memos from iPhone to PC via iCloud Drive? Enable iCloud Drive and voice memos in Settings. In voice memos, share the recording to iCloud Drive. On PC, sign into iCloud.com, find the memo, and download it. Part 3. How to export voice memos from iPhone to PC via iTunes file sharing. Install iTunes, connect your iPhone, and tap Trust this computer. In iTunes, select your device, go to Music, enable Sync Music, and include voice memos. Then click Apply or Sync. Part 4. How to export audio from iPhone to PC with AirDrop. Enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and AirDrop on both devices. In voice memos, select a recording, tap Share, choose AirDrop, and send to the target device. Accept the transfer to save the file as M4A. Part 5. How to send voice memos to computer using iMessage. In voice memos, select a recording, tap Share, and choose Messages. Send it to your Apple ID email. On your computer, open Messages, locate the file, and download or drag it to your desktop. Part 6. How to copy iPhone voice memos to computer via Dropbox. Open Dropbox on your iPhone and sign in. In voice memos, select the recording, tap Share, and choose Dropbox. Save it to a folder. On your computer or log into Dropbox, find the memo, and click Download.